Once upon a time, long ago, there was a small village. In that village lived a hard-working woodcutter named Timber Tom. Every morning, even before the sun came up, Timber Tom would take his old rusty axe and walk towards the forest to chop wood. His axe was so old that it looked like even the axe wanted to retire. But Timber Tom never complained. He was a cheerful and honest man. He always used to say, "Work hard, speak the truth, and always be honest." One fine day, as usual, Timber Tom was cutting wood near the riverbank when suddenly, his axe slipped from his hands and fell straight into the water with a loud splash.
"Oh no! My axe! My axe!"
Timber Tom cried in despair. Children, just imagine, what would a woodcutter do without his axe? Timber Tom sat sadly by the river when suddenly from the shimmering water appeared a sparkling magical fairy.